this is not the situation I wanted to be in today, guys. We just left Lexington, South Carolina, and there was a bridge collapse last night. We're 45 minutes away from where it actually collapsed, and traffic is backed up. There's people turning around up there at the median. This is a cluster. So evidently, last night about 4 a.m., a tanker truck full of gasoline crashed, caught on fire. The bridge failed and just collapsed, at least on the westbound side of I-20. I wanted to take a look at it, but I don't know if we're gonna make it there. Everybody, like, there's a horde of cars going through the median right now. I've never seen anything quite like it. Man, I've never seen this many people like making a break for it, trying to go across the median. Old buddy right there with his service trailer, I think he might have just messed up bad time. Hopefully he's got four-wheel drive, or else he's gonna be stuck. So I'm kind of wondering if we should jump ship and go across the median, but it looks like it's not crazy amount of distance where it's, you know, super slow, but I don't know, you guys. I don't know if y'all can see my phone there, but we're still a long butt ways to where the bridge collapsed. What to do, what to do? I mean, at least we're moving, we're rolling. We ain't rolling very fast, but I hate to go that back route because it's just back roads the whole way. It's gonna take us forever to get home. I think we're just gonna stick it out, and must be a wreck up here or something. We'll see in a minute. And about 20 minutes later, we're still just creeping along. I chose to just stay in this lane and ride it out, and I'm glad I did because I think I see the wreck up here. So I'll film when we get a little bit closer, but I see some blue lights up there, and then traffic is moving beyond that bridge. What I want to do, if I can, is try to get y'all close enough to where I can fly the drone and check out the bridge that collapsed. Now, the issue is, if you've seen any of my drone videos in the past where I lost my drone, I know I can make it to the crash site, but I don't know that I can make it back because it's about 2 miles, as the, you know, from what I saw on the map. I can only get about 2 miles close to it, so we shall see. Really? That was the cause of the delay? Just 3 cop cars on the side of the road? All right, well, at least we're moving now. Let's go see if we can get close to the bridge. Hey, if I had a CB, I'd tell him just to follow me. I need that. Wild, you guys. I've never seen both lanes of I-20 completely shut down, especially for this amount of time, and we're going on 12 hours since the accident happened. I hope nobody was hurt. There's not a lot on the news yet. I mean, hopefully the driver's okay, but I mean, just looking at the pictures, which I'll put up on the screen in a minute, it looked pretty bad. That thing must have got really, really hot. In order to make a concrete bridge fail, that had to be some intense heat. So again, hope everybody's okay, man. That was a pretty catastrophic event. And then too, you know, once the bridge fell, who knows if people were going on Vaucluse Road, that might have went off. I don't know. I don't think the little town of Graniteville has ever seen so much traffic on a Saturday. Man, you never realize, like, the cluster it causes just having such a main thoroughfare shut down. Like, the little town of Graniteville is a traffic nightmare. I've never seen it before, ever. But I guess when you think of how many people go up and down I-20 every day, this is the result when something big happens and they have to shut the thing down. So,
I can see it right there.
Oh, you could?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. We're getting close. So I had to stop by and pick up my partner in crime, as you can see here. And now we're going to head up the road just a little bit, and I think we can get relatively close enough to fly the drone to. But we're about to figure out, we got storms coming too, so y'all cross your fingers that the drone makes it back to the truck. All right, so we're at the Circle K parking lot, about as close to the bridge accident as I could get. Hope you make it back, little drone. We made it back. I don't know how the little drone did it. We were fighting the wind coming back. We were 6,280 feet.
Sounds good.
It got to its maximum. That's as far as it wanted to go. So hopefully the shots turn out okay. I'll try to zoom in during the editing to show you guys the actual bridge that collapsed. But again, hopefully the driver was okay and nobody got hurt in that incident. But I've never seen both lanes of I-20 shut down before. So craziness. All right, guys, appreciate you guys watching.
Yes. Have a great day.
Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.